Hi friends, it's Izzy. Welcome back to my channel. This is what my hair looks like normally. It's kind of boring, I know, but we are going to change that today. So if you're looking for ways to spice up your hair, today I'm going to be showing you 10 super easy, fun, and cute hairstyles that'll make you look like you put way more effort into your look than you actually did. For this first hairstyle, we are creating some bubble pigtails. So tie 2 pigtails, making sure to loosen them a bit. Then tie a bunch of hair ties about an inch or 2 apart from each other. Then zhuzh out. Zhuzh. How do you spell zhuzh? Z-O. Z-O-C-H-S. Anyway, zhuzh out the part between 2 hair ties by pulling from all angles to create your mini bubbles. Pop some clips on and you're done. This look is super simple and playful, and it's great for just spicing up your style, and it really didn't even take that much effort. Actually though, this is the most intricate hairstyle out of this video, so it only gets easier from here, so stay tuned to see more. This next hairstyle I'm calling the It Girl because I've literally been seeing this hairstyle everywhere on Instagram. All you're gonna need for this look is a large hair clip of some sort. I don't have the giant claw one, but this is the only one I have, so we're just gonna work with it. All you're gonna do is twist your hair upwards and clip it. This look is literally so effortless, and I mean it takes less than half a second, but it's also still super chic and really brings back those iconic 90s vibes, if you know what I mean. Also, I feel like I'm channeling a knockoff Asian version of Madison Beer in this hairstyle, and honestly, it makes me feel really good about myself. So if you don't want to have all of your hair up, you can just twist up half of your hair. It still makes for a really effortlessly chic look, and it doesn't take much time. Okay, so my hair started sweating oil, so I needed to fix that with some dry shampoo. The next one here is my favorite out of all the looks, and that is this picnic gal hairstyle. You're gonna tie a low ponytail and wrap the scarf around your head, then double knot it at the bottom to secure the scarf to your head. This look is super cute, and it keeps all of your hair out of your face, which is super helpful. An alternative to this is to release the ponytail, pull out some of the hair in the front, and boom, you got yourself a complete picnic girly look. I just love this look so much, and I feel really made up in it, and I think it's a really cute detail to add to any of your outfits. The next hairstyle, all you're going to do is tie 2 little braids in the front and secure it with small elastic bands. I didn't have any, so I just left it as is. I would wear this hairstyle if I'm going for a more boho, soft, and flowy vibe. I just think it's a really small detail, but kind of adds a lot to the outfit. This one is basically a simple version of Ariana Grande's iconic ponytail hairstyle. So tie up your hair in a high ponytail, leaving a strand of hair out, then tie that strand around the base of the ponytail and secure it with a bobby pin behind your ponytail to create a cleaner and fancier ponytail. Pull out your baby hairs, pop in some cute clips, and you're done. I feel super preppy in this look, and like I can just rule the world. It's also just another great hairstyle to keep hair out of your face while also looking really cute, and it's super simple to do. Next hairstyle here, tie up 2 high ponytails on either side of your head, leaving half of your hair down, and again, pop in some clips to spice it up, and you've got this super playful and preppy look. I feel like this gives me 90s, like Britney Spears music video vibes. I don't know. These next 2 hairstyles are literally just putting clips in that I have. I just want to show you that clips on their own are a great accessory because they really add a super cute detail to your outfit and make you look like you put a lot more effort into an outfit without having to think about it too much. I started getting stinky, so I sprayed my favorite body spray, but I put too much and I started choking. The last hairstyle we have here are some cute buns because Lord knows I need some. Aha! Okay, so all you're gonna do is split your hair in half, twisting it into 2 buns and tying it with a hair tie. Pull out some baby hairs so you don't look bald, and add any accessories or scrunchies if you want to. And that's the final look. All these hairstyles are super customizable, easy, quick, and super cute. They all took under 2 minutes to do, I'm not even kidding. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe because all of those things help me and my channel out so much. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye! It still makes for a really effortlessly chic, and it still makes for a really effortlessly and it still makes for a really effortlessly effortlessly chic. Oh my gosh, how come I can't say that? And it still makes for a really effortlessly and it still makes for a really effortlessly. Oh my gosh. So if you don't want to have all of your hair up, you can just twist up half of your hair. It still makes for a really effortlessly. It still makes for a really effortlessly look. It still makes for a really effortlessly. It still makes for a really effortlessly chic. It still makes for a really effortlessly chic look, and it doesn't take much time. Ah! Oh my gosh, that took too long.